Here I have a project as well. It is actually a Certina watch, quite with the most wonderful dial here. I will show you. I have already disassembled this one, so I would like to show you a theory which I have why this one doesn't work. So let's bring out everything here. So I have this watch in a little kit here. So here it is. Let's blow a little bit here. Yes. Here it is. It's a Certina 321. I will wound it up a little bit. So let's take a look here. To this point. Let's take a look here. I just moved the pallet fork like this. Do you see that? And then carefully I will do like this. It's actually going quite slow to the other side. It's all about details. So I think the problem lies in the pallet fork, in the pivot of the pallet fork. Yeah, because when I had the balance here, I think I can show you that as well. The balance was acting the same as this one has problem. It didn't give enough torque, or what can you say, enough power for the balance. So and another thing I was checking is another thing I found out that this one, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bit loose. Even though this one is screwed well, it shouldn't be like this. I have my reason to believe that. You see that? Now it should already go over. So I think the pivot of that one is worn out. If you're really good at this, you can probably fix that with the machines and all of that, but I don't have any equipment for that. So actually I have ordered a replacement for this one, so I hope with the new pallet fork it might work much better. In case it really is the pallet fork bridge and that one, I have one of those also on the way. I actually ordered a new movement, the same like this one, of course, which is for spare parts and has some defects, so I will try to replace it and see how it actually works. When I replace it, I just hope it's that. That would be a lot of easier. So I would like to show you. So I will place this one. Let's take a look if I can. So let's try this one. Place it a little bit. It's not correctly in position now, I think. Yeah. Try that out. Of course, it doesn't work so good now. Fix it. I can. Sometimes I'm using the blower now to be able to show you guys what I mean. Yeah, there you go. So I think this problem is the pallet fork, definitely. Before, because it's like it's getting slower. This is the pallet fork. Do you remember when it was slow? So obviously it's making problems with this movement. So now you can see, if I zoom in, I think I never saw this one. You see it moves slowly. Now the pallet fork is going to the other side because it's loose, or the pivot is worn or something. It's not steady enough, so it's affecting this one. This I'm completely sure of that. I don't think it's the balance, but I can be wrong. I have never seen this error before. Here you go. Maybe maybe some of you guys out there has, and if you know another reason, you can write in the comments. Anyways, with the other movement which is coming, I have a balance as well, so it will be quite interesting of changing these parts, and later on I will make a video when that one has arrived. This is not, I don't think any problem with this balance at all. That is a good sign, you know. And then the pallet forks kind of has these issues and stops the watch from working. But let's wait and see about that. I will keep you updated. Thank you.